Today I'm going to be reviewing iCar Pro by Vgate. I'd like to thank Vgate for sending this to me to review. Let's take a look at what it looks like. It's really small. It is perfect. I put it in my car and there's going to be a little video I'm going to show you while I'm playing this. So this is what it looks like. There's the back. Everyone, you just have your interface in the car. I have a Hyundai Palisade. You just plug this under, usually around the steering wheel to the left or the right of it, underneath, not in the fuse box. Depending on your car, it's all in different places. So when you do get this in the package, there's going to be a little booklet in here, and it's going to have a bunch of QR codes for the app. And there's different apps. It runs with a bunch of different apps, more than even what they put on there. You know, probably hold on to the box, keep this in your car, just so if you ever have any issues. And the other thing, it is super simple. Literally just plug it in, and then I connected the app. It did ask a few questions, what kind of car you have and stuff like that on the app that I used, but it was very simple. It was about a minute and a half, and that was only because it was the first time I was using this, so you might run into the same thing. Very quick, and once you get on there, you can start reading the codes. Also, Vgate wants you to know if you're buying this from anyone other than sold by Vgate Mall, they are not going to warranty these. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.5 stars, over 8,000 ratings. And last month, October 2025, over 1,000 of these little puppies sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.